Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today, you'll learn how to say what you like and what you don't like in Russian. Food, music, hobbies, activities, anything. These phrases are extremely common and very easy to use. In Russian, there are two very natural ways to talk about likes. Я люблю, which is I love or I like, and мне нравится, which is I like, I enjoy. Both are correct, both are common, but they feel a little bit different. Let me show you. Let's start with я люблю. Я люблю кофе. Я люблю музыку. Я люблю путешествовать. Я люблю читать. Я люблю is quite emotional and confident. Now the second pattern, мне нравится. This one is softer and more neutral. Мне нравится кофе. Мне нравится музыка. Мне нравится путешествовать. Мне нравится читать. If you compare я люблю and мне нравится. Я люблю is stronger, more emotional. Your affection to something is bigger. If you're not sure which one to use, choose мне нравится. It's always safe. And one more thing. We use я люблю to speak about things that we like constantly. If you want to say that you are enjoying something right now, use мне нравится. Imagine I serve you tea or coffee and I ask you if you like it. You can say мне нравится этот кофе. One small but useful detail. We say мне нравится plus one thing. If you want to speak about more than one thing, you say мне нравятся. Мне нравится Катя. Мне нравятся Катя и Маша. Now let's talk about dislikes. It's very easy. You just need to add не before the verbs. Я не люблю холод. I don't like cold weather. Я не люблю гулять. I don't like walking. Мне не нравится дождь. I don't like rain. Мне не нравится танцевать. I don't like dancing. As you may have noticed, you can use these patterns together with nouns and verbs. Let's practice. How will you say these phrases in Russian? Put a tick for any correct answer you've got and then write in the comments how many ticks you have. Я люблю чай. Я люблю готовить. Мне нравится зима. Мне нравится путешествовать. Now you can talk about your likes and dislikes in Russian, and that makes your speech more personal and natural. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.